Ferrets. Glossary. Domesticated. Tame and kept as a pet or on a farm. Docile, opposite of hostile, historically, with reference to past events. Semi-arid grasslands, open and connected grasslands punctuated by groves of trees and scrubs, mountain basins, a bounded area where the rocks within the boundaries dip inward toward each other. History of ferrets. Ferrets, also known as their scientific name, Mustela furro, were domesticated 2,500 years ago. They were originally used for hunting rodents and rabbits since their quote-unquote liquid body makes them easily able to go into holes or burrows and get the animal. Now, ferrets are used in biomedical research and are high-maintenance pets. Ferrets should be able to be undisturbed by humans in their natural habitat to be able to just relax and chill. Where do ferrets live in the world, and what is their habitat? There are not many ferrets in the wild. They usually live inside as pets. There is a species that does live in the wild called black-footed ferrets. The black-footed ferret lives in North America and are historically found in the Great Plains, mountain basins, and semi-arid grasslands in Kansas, North and South Dakota, Montana, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Wyoming, Utah, Texas, and Nebraska. How do ferrets communicate? What is their behavior, and what is their lifespan? Ferrets communicate by scent. They also use their posture to show how they feel. Ferrets' behavior is kind, docile, lively, intelligent, playful, and curious. They are not scared of humans. Ferrets' lifespan is 5 to 10 years, which is very sad considering how cute and friendly they are. What do ferrets eat, and what is their average height and weight? Ferrets are carnivores that usually eat rodents, birds, and rabbits. Pet ferrets should eat high-protein, low-carb, moderate-fat pelleted food specifically made for ferrets. Ferrets' average weight is 1.5 to 4.4. Ferrets' average length is 50 centimeters / 20 inches, including their tail. Their fur can be brown, white, or black, or a mixture of them. Ferrets' predators and ferrets' prey. Ferrets' biggest prey are prairie dogs. They actually eat over 90 prairie dogs a year. The rest of their prey are mice, squirrels, rats, birds, rabbits, and sometimes insects and reptiles. Their predators are eagles, owls, coyotes, bobcat, hawks, foxes, and badgers. Black-footed ferrets, which are the only species that live in the wild, are actually endangered. 10 facts about ferrets. 1. They have been around for more than 2,500 years. 2. They almost eat 100 prairie dogs a year. 3. Only one species lives in the wild, black-footed ferrets, but sadly they are endangered. 4. Newborn ferrets can fit in a teaspoon. 5. Let alone them being animals, they like to dance. 6. They were at once the third most common pet in the U.S. 7. Overbathing makes them smellier. 8. Hide and go seek is their favorite game. 9. A ferret's normal heart rate is 200 to 250 beats per minute. 10. People thought ferrets went extinct until 1981 when they were rediscovered in Wyoming. How endangered are they actually, and why are they endangered? Ferrets are one of the most endangered mammals in North America. In fact, there's only around 350 black-footed ferrets, the species that live in the wild, in the world. One of the biggest reasons that they are endangered is because their short grass prairie where they depend on crops where they depend on the crops are being plowed for crops. Another big reason is that prairie dogs, which are their main food source, are decreasing in numbers because of diseases and habit loss. Hope you enjoyed. I put lots of time, effort, and hard work into this presentation. I appreciate you listening.